Good afternoon and welcome to the pottery. I'm Ardet. I'm one among the workers here. Susukin mo, sir. Tingnan mo. Laliman mo pa. Ayan. Dito na tayong lahat. Then, okay na? Good afternoon and welcome to the pottery. I'm Ardet. I'm one among the workers here. Ang workshop na ito ay nag-start in year 2000 by Archie Stapleton. Anak po siya ng American missionary na dumating dito noong 1960s. Nakita po niya ang potential ng ating local clay at local soil for pottery production. That's why when he went back to the States, he studied pottery, mastered it, and then came back to Sagada to teach the Sagada people as an alternative livelihood. When we say there is potential in our local materials, it doesn't mean that you can just get it anywhere you want to get it, and then you bring it here, you can make a pot out of it. Ang ginagawa namin, maghanap muna kami ng pagkukuhanan ng clay na hindi kami makakasira sa environment at walang magagalit sa amin. Whenever we see one that is good, we haul that clay, bring them here, soak them in water for a few weeks. Sasalain namin ng 2 beses hanggang makuha namin ang consistency of fineness na katulad nito. After sieving 2 times, it's very watery. We have to drip dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks before we can use it. May 3 klase po ang pottery. May earthenware, stoneware, and porcelain. Earthenwares are low fire. That's what they do in vegan, yung mga paso, yung mga lutuan po. Ang ginagawa naman namin dito is stoneware. Ang stoneware at saka porcelain, mataas ang luto nilang dalawa, ma-reach namin ang temperature na 2,350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, I'm going to show you the making of the pot with a demo fee of 600 for your group and 400 for the group of 10. At kung may gustong mag-try, 100 per head. Okay? First of all, center ko lang po muna ang clay. Sinecenter ko po ang clay with pressure from my both hands and I have to go with the speed of the wheel. Before we can make any kind of shape that we want, may it be a vase, a bowl, or a mug, we have to do the cylinder first, for that's the basic shape. So to do the cylinder, we put a hole in the middle, widen the hole by pulling the clay towards the side. At this point, with controlled pressure from my both hands, I'm going to compress the clay together and then slowly pull it up to the top. One more time. Ang kamay ko po ang magko-control sa clay, hindi po ang clay ang nagko-control sa kamay. At kung inaangat natin to, dinadahan-dahan natin, hindi natin siya binibigla para hindi siya ma-off-center at hindi mag-collapse. So this is our cylinder. This can be a pot already, but we are going to reshape this for us to see how far the clay goes. Ang gagawin ko po, dito sa pinakailalim, I'm going to push it outwards slowly. While pushing, I'm pulling my hands up. I'm supporting my left hand with my right hand outside. Here in the middle, I'm going to push it inwards, slowly pull it up, and then push it out at the very top to make a flower vase. We can even make it a water container if we put a spout like that. So, ang ginagawa namin dito, ini-air dry namin siya for 5 days. After 5 days of air drying, kapag leather dry na po siya, babalikan namin siya, trim namin ang bottom niya, lalagyan namin ng handle niya. Doon din ang time na maglagay kami ng any kind of decorations that we want to enhance the beauty. And then we air dry it again for a month. We cook it in the oven for 12 hours of firing. Maghintay kami ng 2 days for the yoga to cool down. We come back, bring out the pieces, then a-apply na namin siya ng glazes. Yung glazes po yung nagbibigay kulay at kintab sa kanya. Pero hindi po siya kagaya ng pintura na pinahid mo lang, makikita na agad ang result. Kailangan po siyang iluto ulit for another 15 to 18 hours bago lalabas ang kagandahan ng each piece. They are very good for food containers, they are microwavable, and of course, the color doesn't fade. Sino po ang gustong mag-try?
Okay, ikaw na.
I wet your hands.
Both back. Okay na po. Like this back.
Put your two thumbs in the middle. Push it downwards slowly to middle. Push. Susukin mo, sir. Tingnan mo. Laliman mo pa. Ayan. Sige pa. Ayan. Now widen it. Widen. 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 Slowly remove your hands. Remove your hands. Deepen ko lang sir yung butas. Now, may I hold your hands? Dito sa loob ang isa. Sa labas naman ang isa. Ang gagawin mo is to slide your hands up. No pressure from both hands. One more time. Now, you are going to widen that into a bowl. You can come straighten. Use your forefingers inside. You are going to push it out slowly while pushing, pull it up to your tip. Hold at the top for 2 to 3 seconds. Slowly. Okay. One more time. You'll be the one to do it alone. Watch your hands first. Okay. Push. Push out. And slowly pull it up. Don't use your fingertips. Ang gamitin mo. Up. 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 That's your goal. Don't squeeze it. Parang bumalik lang. 1, 2.
Thank you po.
Welcome very much.
Dito po.
Ano mo next? Ikaw ma. Ano pa ako si Anne. Hold it there. Push it down slowly to middle. Tama na. Tama na. Bukas na yan.
Paano po?
Huwag ka kasing manggigil sa akin. Dahan lang. Okay. Slowly remove your hands. Remove your hands.
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Nagigil.
May I hold your hands? Dito sa loob ng isa. Slide it up. No pressure. Just slide. No pressure. Masarap hawakan. Kapag no pressure. Now, that's your basic shape. You are going to do a beginner shape out of that, which is a straighten, put it inside at the very bottom. Now you are going to push it outwards slowly while pushing, pull it up to the tip of the blade, hold at the top for 2 to 3 seconds, slowly release. One more time. Down na ang gagawa. Dahan-dahan lang, ma'am. Baka magkakal sa isang corner. Dito. Push it out. Ay, dahan-dahan.
Ang sexy na ng pot mo.
Wait mo nga. Ayan.
Yun.
That's your mangkok.
Sangrami mo.
Pakainin mo dyan. Kahit ano namang pagkain, pwedeng dyan. Plus.
Pwede po ba kami magpa-picture parehas din? Sapat niya.
Sige, picture ako.
Ayan, sige na.
Picture ba gusto niyo, baby?
Hindi, okay na po.
Ganyan lang. Okay.
Thank you po.
Yeah. O tayo ganun din, mamaya. Dito naman audience para kasama ka.
Sama natin sila.
Ay.
Or you want to...
Ano next natin?
Thank you.